So you've seen the abstract keyword on classes in here. So abstract and then public class. But we can also add abstract on methods. Now on methods, it works a little bit different. So here, so have a look, we have animal class and we have make sound. So here, if I, for example, go to main and let's just say dog dot and then make sound, and the same with cat. If I run this, you should see that we have making sound. Now we want to basically have the ability of both cat and dog have full control of how they make their sound. So here, have a look. So we can go to cat and we've got two options. We can either override the make sound method, and you've seen this keyword before, super, but in reality you can see that if I don't override this, so here if I say shout and here let's just say meow, meow, and let's take this method as well and then go to dog, and we need to basically paste this in here just like that, and then let's just say woof woof. So this is a dog barking. If I run this, have a look. Now the dog is barking and the dog is saying meow. But you can see that if we didn't override these methods, we would have gotten the one from the parent class. Now what we could do is we could say, right, so let's basically remove this for now for a second inside dog, and the same for cat. Now within animal, I could say, right, so I don't want to have a default method for all my subclasses, but anyone that extends this class, they should be able to define their own implementation. They should be able to define their own implementation. So what you do is you remove the implementation, so the brackets and anything within it. You add a semicolon, and then here you say public abstract and then void. Now what this is saying, if you have any extension or if you have any subclass, they must override the make sound. If I go to cat, have a look, now it gives me an error. I need to basically implement the make sound. So let me just put my mouse in here and then implement methods, and you can see make sound. Okay, and here I can say meow, just like that. If I open up dog, so the same thing. So I need to basically implement the method make sound, shout, and then woof woof. And then if I run this, we should get the exact same output. So this is pretty much the use of the abstract keyword within an abstract class. Now, within an abstract class, if I remove abstract from here, this is no longer possible, because abstract methods should only exist within abstract classes or interfaces, which we're going to cover next. So here, this has to be an abstract class in order for you to have abstract methods. And here the same if you want to have, for example, parameters, and then you let the subclasses deal with the implementation details. Right, so this is pretty much the use of the abstract class. So I first wanted to give you a very simple example of how to use them, but next let me give you a more realistic example of abstract classes. That's all for now. Catch me on the next one.